Your breathing muscles develop like any other muscle group. Providing additional resistance increases their endurance. They respond to training by becoming stronger, faster, and more efficient. Oomoa is a breathing trainer for everyone. It embodies the best breathing practices from all over the world in a work of art exterior to make breathing exercising available everywhere, anytime, at arm's reach. Oomoa separated airflow channels allow to achieve the specific goals of inhalation and exhalation resistance training faster, while avoiding common mistakes. The patent-pending Gradient system offers 6 resistant levels based on the training goals, from general well-being to sports results improvement. There is no right and wrong place to train with Oomoa. No awkward looks, no extra salivation or stiff lower jaw after the training session. Look normal before and after. Inspiratory resistance training exercises the diaphragm through conditioning. The stronger resistance increases vital lung capacity, strengthens abdominal muscles, and boosts anaerobic threshold. Breathing with Oomoa also improves the tone of the cardia and the skeletal muscles around. Pre-order the world's most advanced breathing trainer now, exclusively on Kickstarter.
Meet Splay, the 24-inch Full HD portable display that expands in seconds and even transforms into an ultra-short throw portable projector. You want a big, bright, high-resolution screen anywhere? Or to project an even bigger screen on a wall? With our patented flexible display technology, Splay is your perfect travel companion in any situation. Thanks to the super compact and lightweight design, now you have the freedom to take your expandable screen anywhere you go. Splay sets up in seconds to the world's largest portable display or ultra-short throw projector. Just connect your computer, phone, or game console through HDMI or a wireless adapter and use it as your main or second screen. It's battery-powered, durable, and even works in bright environments. The integrated stereo speakers offer great sound performance, and you can also use it as a power bank to charge your other portable devices. Splay is always there for you. Use it for your daily work at home or on the go, for presentations or just for fun. Play your favorite games anywhere, watch live events or movies with your friends. Splay adapts to any situation in your modern lifestyle. Together, let's bring Splay to life.
We're extremely grateful for the amazing backers from our first generation product, Spud.
We have made game-changing advances on our patented technology. Splay is brighter, higher resolution, yet lighter, and has a smaller form factor. It also has a brand new projector mode.
We developed 3 major innovations. The material science for the only high-quality, fully flexible projection screen, the only ultra-short throw portable projector, and ruggedized and easy-to-use retractable arms for quick expansion and collapsing. With our supply chain set up and our R&D complete, we only need your support. So Kickstarter, what will you do with your Splay?
This is Instapod. It's a grip that works with MagSafe phones and cases. It's lightweight and easy to use in both landscape and portrait mode. Want more reach? Instapod extends to over 1/2 metre long for more angles and wider shots. And when you want to go hands-free, just set it down. Instapod sets itself up, so you don't have to. And pack up is just as easy. Setting up your camera is one thing, but actually talking to camera can be really intimidating. Even when you know your subject well, once you press record, it's too easy to forget what you're saying. So we designed a remote control that works with the app to let you communicate your ideas with confidence. Now you can concentrate on your expression instead of your lines. When you have a great idea, it can be really disappointing when your message is lost from bad sound.
We're here in Port Malanga, South Australia.
So we designed a simple, one-button, wireless microphone. It's a true plug-and-play mic, so you don't have to be a professional to get amazing sounding videos.
I'm here at Port Malanga in South Australia, and out there,
Being able to edit your shots on your phone is so much better because it means you can share your stories straight away. The problem is, editing on your phone can be frustrating and can feel like it takes forever. So we designed an editing app to speed up the process. With Fast Track, instead of wasting your time searching for different editing tools, you can now cut down your shots with one tool that's right there at your thumb tip. Fast Track's tap and hold editing tool lets you trim, cut, and even scroll delete anything in your video, all using just one button. And what would normally be a tedious process can now be done instantly with Fast Track's shot control feature. Create zooms with just a double tap. Tap for instant crops. And you can even do subject tracking. Everything you need lives in the kit, and it all packs together, so you only have one thing to remember when you're on the go. After 2 years of prototyping and development, LumaShot is now ready for manufacture. We are really excited to get LumaShot into your hands, so please back our campaign, order yours today, and together, let's make video easy.
Your cleaning is being done all wrong. You think that you're cleaning the floor every day, but in fact, dust is still there. Picking things up, wiping, sweeping, you try your best to clean in all kinds of ways, but there are still contaminants on the floor. So actually, we are getting these leftover contaminants all over our bodies, and this is our problem. Cleaning has to be quick, simple, easy, and what's more, it has to be done to perfection. If not, cleaning becomes a chore that we never want to do. Here is Broombee. Broombee sweeps away crumbs, sticky fluids, broken glass, and even the tiniest dust particles instantly, like a charm. How is this possible? Well, it's simple. The moment the Broombee's blade touches the floor, it dramatically amplifies the static electricity and sucks in the tiniest dust particle, like a magnet. When using a normal broom, the dust escapes, flying away from the broom, and scatters over and over again. But Broombee's grid-like airflow frame was designed for the broom to compress the flow of wind. Broombee not only works on contaminants left on the floor, but it also works on tangled up dust, or hair from your pets, on carpets and rugs. It even works with perfection on fragile surfaces, like mirrors and windows. With one sweep, Broombee's magic goes to work. A few other things make Broombee special. First is what Broombee's made out of. After going through dozens of designs and hundreds of material testing, we have applied POE materials to the blade. These POE materials create static electricity to capture microdust and other kinds of contaminants. Second is the design. The 4-layered blade design gathers, scrapes, sweeps, and collects the contaminants again and again. So it was designed to quadruple the cleaning results with a single sweep. Third is the frame. The sturdy, flexible, and unbreakable heads are heat and cold proof. And it was designed to stand over 50,000 uses, making it super cost efficient since it doesn't require any replacements. The handle's length can be adjusted up to 55 inches, and since it was made with lightweight aluminum, the Broombee makes it possible to clean higher surfaces with one hand. Lastly, the Broombee version 2 has applied a new frame design to solve the issue of possible bending during storage. The dustpan specifically designed to fit Broombee has a slim edge that seals tight without any space, at only 0.4 inches thick. And also, its spill-proof flush wheel design brings out the most extraordinary synergy when used with Broombee. Cleansing can be done in only 1 second, just by rinsing with water, since it was made with antibacterial materials. It's the perfect cleaning tool, as it only takes up a small amount of space. Use them where it needs an extra touch of gentle cleaning. Now, we need your help. Your pledge will support Broombee to make cleaning around the world a piece of cake. Thank you for your support. Now clean, confidently, and hassle-free. Broombee.
And then it went like...
Introducing Hackson. This revolutionary and masterful smart fan packs a HEPA-grade carbon filter with a UV light for maximum purification, Clean the area, no questions asked. But how exactly does it work for you? The answer, of course, is everywhere. Purify the whole living room in minutes, so everyone can enjoy some relaxation, even your precious furry friends. And you'll never have to worry about keeping it out of reach with a fully bladeless design. And design bleeds into every aspect of Hackson. Seamless, refined, minimal. Fits on both sides of the bed just as easily. Comfort comes in versatility, and Hackson keeps you cooler than any traditional fan. And unlike the others, experience a completely separate climate from your partner. Head to toe, side to side, total control over your sleeping zone. Hackson's PTC ceramic heating plate keeps the room toasty without pumping in dry air. And when night approaches, the light will automatically adjust temperature to match, making it the perfect reading light. Or night light for the kids. Pop on the child lock to keep them safe and sleep mode to keep them resting peacefully. Because their sleep is the most critical of all. And back in the bedroom, finally, you and your other half are ready to sleep. Activate your own sleep mode to keep things quiet for the night, and let Hackson make tonight's dreams come true.
Hi folks, my name's Woodruff, and this is my baby. While this may be your first time seeing my face, this is far from my first involvement with the company. I've been involved in many successful Kickstarter campaigns and turned a lot of ideas into amazing realities. Over my years in the industry, I've had the opportunity to work with some stunning people. And after achieving the dreams for others, I'm ready to chase some dreams of my own. And here it is, Hackson and our Air Fan. We're getting closer and closer to bringing this amazing, game-changing product to your front step. But we need some help. Everything is in place, and now all we need is a little jump start, or kickstart, to produce Air Fan and produce it the right way. Be a part of our dream and help to be part of this team and make this reality together. From everyone here at Hackson, thank you so much, and we're eternally grateful. We can't wait for you to see what we've been up to.